Firuz and Irma and Naeem and Jaime, I thank you, all of you, for coming today for the memorial service for Mrs. Tahira Parsa. She passed away at age 82. She born in Iran, and she's from Providence of Sangasar, and she lived in America for many years. She passed away. What day, Firuz?
June 11.
June 11, she left this life to the Atma Kingdom. Her belief was in the Baha'i faith. The ceremony we're going to have is all about the writings from the Baha'i writings regarding their life after death. We have some in Persian and some in English. We will listen together, and I asked Tushan going to read her life story, and I asked him to translate it briefly after he read in English, then the rest of the family can hear about her life. And I asked Dr. Jazzab to go to say a Baha'i prayer for the departed, which is the 19 times he repeat certain verses. It's all from the writings of the Baha'i faith.
You want to sing the next song? The prayer for the departed, I'm going to say it.
No, we're going to do it here because it's hot there.
Okay.
I think we decided to do it here. If it's okay, whatever it is, because we did it last time. And let's start with the prayers. I asked Shahla, if you want to sit there or come here, either way, just start with prayers. And Irma is going to read some from the Bible from us after that. And when we finish, we all going to walk to the cemetery, is right here, and we do the burial over there. Thank you very much again for coming, and let's start with Shah, please.
جانهای تابان به نور هدایتت روشن و درخشنده گشتند. جامی سرشار از باده محبتت نوشیدند و اسراری بی پایان از اوتار معرفتت شنیدند. دل به تو بستند